Hello everyone! Today will not be really a video tutorial so much as I am gonna show you something kind of fun or cool that you can just have fun with, or you can just watch me have fun with. We're gonna turn a very cartoonish smile into a real smile, or a sort of real style. So, let's begin. You start with a circle, and we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. And we're going to turn that into a realistic smile. Or sort of realistic. Or something fun. Well, the first things first, we need to make these eyes a bit more realistic. So what we're going to do is just going to add some curves. Like this. Right over the eyes. And from here, we're just going to add a little bit of shading, and then maybe we'll just add a little bit more, some lines around that turn it into this kind of smile, and then maybe a little bit of the eyeshadow over here. Let's make this super sick, and then of course we have to have our second eyelid like that, and then you can just take, let's say that's the middle. And let's give this smile an eyebrow. Like that. And then from there, we just add some lines to make it look slightly more realistic. Like this. And then from here, I think it's looking pretty good already. We're going to add a nose, and we're going to make the nose about here. Like this. Add some nostrils. If you want to, you can add like the bottom part of the nose, and a round bit, and then the bridge of the nose. Let's make that side darker. You know what? I forgot. Eyes need eyelashes. Like this. Like this. And then from here, we'll add the top of the lips. Nice Cupid's bow. Here, here. Then, of course, the bottom of the lip. Let's make that nice and big. Big bottom of the lip. Nice and thick. And it's coming along to a really nice smile. I think it's a... I'll call it a her. A really nice smile from a nice lady. From here, and then we just got to add some of the cheek definition here. She's got a big smile, so we're going to do that. And then, if we want to, we can just taper that off a little bit, so it looks like a smile. When we smile, we have these lines underneath our eyes. And then we can add maybe the inside of the eyes like that. And you see we're coming to a more smiley sort of face, a realistic sort of face. We turn that smile into another smile, into a bigger smile. And then from here, we'll just add some cheeks. And then from here, so I use this trick. So I use these curves to determine where about the chin should be, because that's kind of how it works. So nice pointed chin, because that always looks good. And then a little bit of a curvature where the cheeks are. Like so. And then from here, just the sides of the face, like so. And then we'll make it a heart shape. Heart shapes are always cool. Like so. And then we'll just add some ears. And then, from there, let's give her some earrings. Nice, low-hanging earrings of some kind. Maybe they have a star, and can't remember how to draw stars. Bottom of the chin a little bit thicker. Nice, slender, long neck. All right, here comes the fun part, the hair. So because it's a heart shape, we're gonna just taper that off. Like this. And then let's make the hair nice and long, because long hair always kind of looks better in my opinion, although short hair can work too. All kinds of hair can work. Everyone's beautiful. Shoulders. And we've got a person now. We can just do this quick trick to make the hair look a little more effective. And this side, how would it work? Light would be there. So just flick around like this. And then a little bit down here. Maybe leave a little bit of a highlight here. Another bit of a highlight here. And then where should we put what else? What else should we do? Let's put some shading inside the ear here, just a light bit of shading. So when we do shading like this, we want to make it nice and light. Light source is coming from this side, so shading here, here. As you can see, I'm just going really rough and fast. This. And like that. And we've basically gone from a little smiley face into a more realistic looking face, sort of thing. If you always make your shading a bit too dark, like I have here, you can do one of two things. You can smudge a little bit, which if you're doing it rough, this is the perfect way. If not, if you're trying to do more realistic, you should use an actual like blending stump. But if you're just doing it quick like this and for fun, just do a little bit of this. I wouldn't do it on the hair, actually. I would do it more on the skin. And then from there, if you want to make it, take the eye away from a place that's just a little iffy, you just make, for faces, you just make the eyes a lot darker. Because that's what we tend to look at. We tend to look at the eyes. So if we can draw the attention to the eyes, that's how we usually fix it. So we've gone from a little smiley face, like this, into that. And that just comes with practice. And it's a lot of fun when you can get to this point where you get to just do what you want. There wasn't much explanation here. It was just more of like to show you where you could get to. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.